Back everybody, Dr. Blumenthal in the Bethesda Office for Natural Transplants, and we are thrilled to have Mike here. Mike is coming in from Texas. Welcome, man.
Hey, what's going on?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
And so tell us a little bit, appreciate you doing this for everybody and sharing your story. Tell us why you're here.
I just wanted to get more density in the front third of my head. Noticed my hair has been thinning the last few years and wanted to try to do something about it.
And about 2 years ago you had an FUE. And it did not really take at all. Maybe a little bit in the front, but this is basically your native hair that you had before. So we're going to take another swing at it today. Like we talked about, that's going to affect the density that we're going to obtain from the back. So we may have to take a little bit longer strip, but it is what it is, and we're working with what we got, and hopefully we should have enough density to sort of make up for it and fill it all in. But thanks for sharing your story with everybody. We'll draw everything out, do a little bit of shaving, then we'll check in with you before we go to the other room. Sound good? Awesome, man. We'll check in a little while. All right, welcome back, everybody. Mike is here, and as you can tell, we drew our line, did a little bit of shaving, 2 Valium on board. Haven't kicked in yet, but you feeling okay?
Yep.
Okay. And then we made a little shaved our strip back here. The FUE scars may be hard to see on the camera, but you can kind of see them here. I think most of them are down a little bit below where we're going to be working. So we may be able to luck out and get most native hair where we're going to be doing it. We're staying a little bit high on the donor area because he likes to keep his hair short. That way it'll enable him to fade underneath of it. He'll have at least, at worst, a 3 guard, probably get away with a 2 guard, but underneath we can, you can fade down to the 1 guard or skin, whatever you want. So that'll work out. All right. Cool. Doing all right? You excited?
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. We'll check in with you a little bit later. All right, everybody, we are back. Mike survived the day. Congratulations, man. Tell us the short synopsis, how the day went.
It was pretty good. I think the most uncomfortable part was the numbing process.
Yep.
After that, everything else was pretty much smooth sailing.
Yeah, you snoozed it for a little while there, but
yeah, I did.
You managed with the shots fine. That's definitely the worst part of the day, but you did great with it.
Yeah.
Really happy with the way the way it turned out. Got a nice line on it. We really packed it in nice and tight up in there. I'll just kind of go around here so you can see the incision. It's a nice and thin line. It's gonna heal really well on you. It's gonna look nice on you. So I'm excited. Wish we could snap our fingers and make 12 months go by so we can see the results. But otherwise, appreciate it, man. You may come back all the way from Texas to get the sutures removed. We'll see about that.
Yeah.
But otherwise, we'll check in with you tomorrow. Appreciate you sharing your story with everybody, like I said, and hopefully we can sort of track you and see in a year and see what the results look like.
Yeah.
All right, Mike. Take care, man.
All right.
Thanks. Bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.